everyone, welcome to our news today. Yes, water pollution has been a problem of the whole society, as the water pollution is increasing rapidly because of several causes. Therefore, this has a direct impact on all aspects of the human life, especially people who have lived near polluted areas. What is the situation of water pollution in our country today? To answer the question, then we would like to connect directly with the reporter Hoài, who is working at a polluted area.
Hi everyone, I'm Xuân. I'm a reporter from ABC News. Currently, I'm at the scene where there is a polluted water source, and please follow me to meet an inhabitant to listen to what they say about their life in the face of daily water pollution. Let's find out the reason why this situation is happening. Hi, can you let everyone know how does this pollution affect your family's life?
This is the main water supply source, see? But now it's polluted, which makes a huge negative impact on our daily life. We cannot use this water source to cook, drink, harvest, or washing. Moreover, we are not able to access to clean water. Using this polluted water not only harmful for myself, but also the next generation. We must buy clean water from business to serve to our living. In the addition, polluted water kill marine animals. After that, they were assault over a shore. There are not only marine animal carcasses, but also various types of threats. After a while, it started to sting and affect our life a lot. Many times, the trains are toxic of bigger cats. I was pretty angry because of this.
Okay. How long this situation lasted?
The matter has lasted for 5 years since my family have moved to. It's been a long time, therefore I hope the government will solve this problem urgently so that we can have a better to establish our lives.
Thank you. And then I will interview the village head. Hi. Can I talk to you for a bit? Why this pollution lasted for so long and couldn't be solved?
Although I have submitted many petitions to the local government, they have not yet resolved it completely.
Why is this area so polluted?
The direct cause of water pollution is waste from many factories. A few months ago, they were asked to handle wastewater, but only for a short time, and then dump it back into the river. And I think another cause of the pollution is due to the awareness of the people in my neighborhood. They think that the river water is heavily polluted and can be cleaned again. So they see the river as a dumping ground and continue to dump garbage into it. That makes the water more and more polluted. I think I will remind and warn those who dump their way into the river, and I hope that the local government will take reasonable measures to solve this pollution completely.
Thank you for joining this conversation.
Okay, thank you.
As we can see, the water pollution causes many mass influence. And to solve this problem, today we invite Mr. Phương Lan, expert on environmental pollution problem, to discuss together about the best solution to solve water pollution problem.
As you said, water pollution leads to many consequences consequences for human life. Therefore, I will propose some solutions to limit water pollution. There are many different solutions, but I should share important ones. The first solution is treating wastewater. All factories need to have a more advanced technical cleaning process and build wastewater treatment system before being discharged into the sea and river. Septic tank in its family needs to ensure treatment of the spots before shipping into the soils. Secondly, the government needs to propose laws to protect water environment. The government needs to penalize strongly individuals and organizations that have acts of causing water pollution. Thirdly, people need to raise awareness about water environment protection. Each locality needs to educate and propagate about water environment protection and serious consequences when water is polluted. There are some solutions that I propose in thought. Although water pollution in Vietnam is serious, I believe that it can still be limited if all people know how to contribute.
Thank you for the briefing on SAP today. Hello everyone. Well, according to the experts, there are a few ways to help us protect the environment and to get rid of the impact of wastewater on people's lives. And this is answer the last column to close the news in today. See you in the next news. Goodbye, see you again.
Lan, Kim Yến, Hoài Xuân,
Khánh.
And you remember that say water, say life.